Welcome to the InField equipment training. In this session, you'll learn how to manage and add equipment records efficiently. To begin, access the equipment table from the sidebar menu. The dashboard will display a list of all equipment records. To create a new record, simply click the Add Equipment button at the top right of the page. The equipment form will appear. Select the equipment type from the drop-down list and manually enter the equipment name in the appropriate field. Once you've filled in the details, click Add. Your saved entry will then appear at the bottom of the equipment record list. To manage entries, select the three-dot menu. From here, you can copy the equipment to multiple farms, which is helpful for equipment used across several locations. You can also edit an entry to update any incorrect information. Just remember to click Save afterward. If you need to delete an entry, select the Delete option. A warning prompt will appear, allowing you to cancel or permanently delete the equipment from the database. You are now equipped to add and manage equipment within InField. For additional support, please visit our Help Center articles.